So how do you fix your factory? How do you make it so that you make the best quality, the best cost, at the right time delivery for your customers? You have to have a good asset utilization. The factory has to be fully utilized and not just having a lot of empty space. Your machines have to be operating all the time. Your OEE should be very, very high, so it works constantly. Your people should have value-added time onto the product that's going to be over 30 seconds a minute, not the current 3 to 6 seconds that we see in most Chinese factories. Your BOMs have to be good. Your cost structure has to be set up in such a way that your inventory turns over 16, 17, maybe even 25 times a year, not the current 3 to 4 times we see with many people. You have to do your MPI very excellently in a PPAP sort of way, like in the auto industry, where everything is checked prior to going into it so that your new introduction of product is flawless. Then you also have to teach your management people the systems and opportunities that they have to show how to make things better on a continuous basis. This is how you're going to make your factory better.